Vortex flush, over silent, over clean and safe water. Vortex flush is a dirty flushing system able to use all the available water to its full potential to guarantee maximum flushing performance. This system implies the removal of the rim, the traditional toilet's edging where water jets come out, and which in most cases represents an element of discontinuity and potential dirty sediment and noise. The removal of the rim in the vortex flush system results in continuous and completely glazed water, allowing a deep and easier cleaning. Vortex flush system not only involves flushing optimization and deeper and easier cleaning, but it also increases the product comfort and significantly reduces the toilet flush noise. We have also improved this toilet, now provided it with a slow close system, soft close, innovative quick release system, available both in standard and in the thinner plus vision.